Let us start the problem of circular lamina. Okay, the given problem goes like this. A circular lamina of 50 mm diameter rests on HP on a point A on its circumference. So first let us draw an XY line which is having least thickness. We'll go for 5 Y VP and HP. So now given problem is circle of 50 mm diameter. So take the circle by center point command and draw a diameter of 50 mm. Type 50, press enter, click. Okay, so this will be dark. Then create a line. Now let us divide the circle into 8 parts. Means 8 parts means 360 divided by 8, which will be 45 degree. Now let us how to divide. So if you keep on dividing 45 degree, it will be taking time. So we will be using the command called as a rotate command. Rotate. Okay, so here the copy should be on, and click on the 45 step angle 45 degree. Okay, and which is the starting point and ending point, and the angle you specify here as 45 degree. Okay, press enter. Now you see I will click on first point. Next you click, the second part will be created. Next you click third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Okay, similarly you can divide the circle into any number of parts. So for our convenience we are taking only 8 parts. Okay, so now let us name this one starting from A. Okay, now project all the points onto the XY line with a light line. So after projecting all lines, let us connect them with the help of a dark line. So now let us name the front view. So here A is there, this will become A dash. This one will be P dash, H dash. This one So this one will be D dash F dash. Okay, now we have created the top view. Now first position is over. Next, let us see the problem. What is the inclination with respect to HP? Inclination with respect to HP is 45 degree. Okay, let us use the zoom command to zoom in. Okay, now inclination is 45 degrees. So let us select all the lines including the names. So I have selected all the naming as well as the line. Now what you need to do is use the move command. Copy should be on. So the move entire thing to the next position. Okay. After that, you need to rotate that with respect to HP by clicking the center point here and the last point here. Rotate it and copy, make it off and give the angle as 45 degrees and click. So this has been rotated. Now let us project all the points, okay, using thin lines to the up to the bottom. So you can take up to any distance. Okay, first take the first and last. Okay, afterwards you can zoom it. Okay, totally here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. We need to get 5 lines. Projectors, sorry. Now again project from this point to here. G is there where G dash is there. Up to that can extend. Next, similarly, if you project up to the F dash point, or else you can just zoom it and create it little more extra. Now take the center point and extend up to last. Similarly, last one and extend up to this. And this one up to this. Now trim all the additional unwanted lines. Okay, this is not needed, so I have removed. So now you need to create a circle when it is inclined with respect to uh, the x-axis. It will become a ellipse. So if you incline the circle at some angle, it will become ellipse. So let us take the ellipse by 3 points. Okay, ellipse by 3 points. So first point you select the center. First point you select the center. Next point you select the sorry. First you take the ellipse by 3 points. First point you select the end of the minor axis. Second point end of the minor axis and extend it up to this. Okay, so I will repeat. Select the ellipse by 3 points. One end should be end of the minor axis. Another end should be end of the other end of the minor axis. And third point should be the major axis. Okay, you got the ellipse. So make it dark Okay, so second position has been finished. If you give the naming, so I'll give the names. So if you want, you can type the names. See, for simplicity, I'm doing like this. So actually, I have not removed this line. Okay, this completes the second view. Finally, diameter passing through the diameter passing through the resting point appears to be inclined at 30 degree. Appears to be inclined means this beta, our beta angle is 30 degree. So let us take a line which is thin and incline it with respect to VP by 30 degree. Since it is in the downward, so I'm putting minus 30. So length may be anything. Okay. So now what should I do is give the angle, mention the angle between this one. Okay. Now afterwards you select the ellipse and all the points. Okay. Now what you do is you need to move this point. Okay, copy should be on, and let us move to this point. Okay. See, after this, let us rotate this A point and E point, and copy should be off. Now you have rotate. So this you can do only when the diameter passing through the rest, resting point. The diameter, this is the resting point. Okay, the diameter passing through the resting point is AE. That means AE should be inclined in the last position. So now let us extend these lines. So let us extend A up to A, E up to E, C up to C. So we cannot differentiate these points here. See, we cannot differentiate these points. So what we can do is better we shall remove this. Let us split this line up to this so that these two lines will become separate entities. Similarly, you can do the same splitting for this. So this up to this, up to this. Okay, now let us select all the lines. Let us move this. So now let us use the rotate command. Copy should be off. Now let us draw the projector lines from each points. Now from here we'll start A up to A dash locus we have to stop. Here H we have to stop up to the H locus. Similarly G, this is F, this is E, this is D, C, this is B. Now trim all the unnecessary lines. Let us zoom. Now we need to give the naming here. So start giving naming. So this one will be your A dash. Okay, this one will be your B dash. This is C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, this one is G dash, this one is H dash. Okay, so there are eight points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have got all the 8 points. Now we need to connect all the lines. So let us use this curve command. Make the thickness 0.5. Okay, start from the A point, go to B, next C, D, E, F, G, H. Click on this, click on the last one and press the right click. Okay, there is a minor error here. I repeat the same. So let us take the curve. You have to select exactly the same points. Okay. D, E, F, G, edge and connect back to this point. Press right click. This will be over. This has to be a 0.5 mm. So this is the projection of circular lamina. Thank you.